See, you will be having a folded paper this way. You have to separate them, each one of them. Very carefully we have to take them out. It's not easily. I have done earlier. I have removed each one of them separately. You can just have a look over. Just make a note on what margin you have to remove carefully, because as it is made up of paper, very neatly we have to open up, and this is the difficult one. In what part we have to separate this paper from the original one. In this way, earlier I have separated all the things. Friends, this is lens stage, this is sample stage, this is panning guide, and this is focus ramp. These are standard slide, and this one is micro slide, and this one are the coupler. All are having the magnets, so I'm facing the same end. If I face in the opposite, they tend to attract. Okay, and this is lens. This is micro slide. These are ring stickers, where one of the ring I have used in order to stick these lenses over. Ring stickers, and these are cover slip stickers. A living organism directly you can stick over on this cover slip, and you can view when the assembly of this full microscope has been finished. Foldscope has been finished. There is a cotton swab which you can use to clean the lens. In order to clean this lens, you can use the cotton swab. So you have to clean the lens with the both the side with this cotton swab. They have given ID sticker over here, where you can use it on this end. One coupler we need it for the phone, so we'll keep it aside. You can see the dot over here, and even dots are here. You can just insert this one. Same on this side. You have to be more careful while inserting. Yeah, now it is ready. This one we have finished. Now we'll go for this one. Slightly we have to turn this way. Now in the same way we have to insert it again. We have to insert the same way, facing the black. On this you have to add this sticker. On one side you will be having the sticky end, one side soft end. Sticky end you are going to stick it over here. After sticking, you are going to pull it apart. We'll keep this one aside. It is ready. Try to fold all the things this way. After this you are going to fold. This side we are having the thick end and this side we are having the thin end. You can just have a look over. And now taking this one, we are going to turn it this way. Then we are going to insert it this way. See, thick end is on my right side. From the thin end I am going to just insert it. Then I am going to again take it back. Yeah. Taking this one, we are going to fold it on both the ends this way. What yellow color you are noticing, you have to insert it on both the side. After inserting it, make sure you can see both the arrows this way. Now take this one and we have to insert this one in this. Okay. So see. Then try to place this one on this. See, when you turn back, you are seeing these 4 red regions. You have to interlock them. Two I have interlocked. Same on the other end. See, now you won't see the red corners. Now your lens is ready. You can just have a look. You can move it left to right and top to bottom. See where I am placing the thumb and how I am moving it. Now we have to fold this one. Okay. There are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Starting 3 lines you have to fold in the same way. 1, then 2, then comes 3 and 4th one you are folding it this way. Okay. At the last step, you have to clean the lens before weaving it. After this, we'll be left out with the one lens. We have to stick this lens on a phone camera of a phone. By that we can weave this one. As it is having magnet, it gets stick during the video. With the help of this sticker, you can stick the sticker here. After sticking, you can stick this one on your phone camera, that is over here. By adjusting, you can stick over this way. Anything you can take on this sticky end, and you can have a look over on the you have to place it properly on the standard slide. So sticky end is this way, smooth end is here, sticky end is here. So later you are going to take an extra standard slide and you are going to place it on the soft side, not the sticky side. This way you are going to place it, and you are going to insert it here. Just I'll open this one. After opening, you can see a arrow mark. Okay, you can see arrow mark over here. There you can place. You have to see carefully the arrow mark, and on the arrow mark you have to place it. After placing, you can see the lens by moving it upside down side.